Welcome back to my other video. I'm outside in the trails with my pit bike, and let me see if I can show you. Look at it. Ooh, look at that thing. Dang. Yeah, it recently flooded back here and now it's super muddy, so I was like, I'm gonna take the dirt bike out, film a little video and see if I could shoot some clips for y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe, because I'm close to 100 subs and I'm trying to hit 100 subs. So subscribe, y'all. Alright, so we got a different angle for y'all. I'm not sure if y'all can hear me, but hopefully y'all can. Woo, super muddy out here. I'm just swerving all over the place. Oh man. Look, I don't know if y'all can tell. We're gonna try to get out of this stuff. Oh, we made it out that spot. Woo. Hopefully this time we don't slip and fall, because it's super muddy out here. And if we fall, we're gonna fall in the mud. Oh. Mud went all over my face. Oh, here we go. Oh. Alright, y'all, so I went inside for a while, but now I'm back outside before it gets late outside. So we're gonna go ride. Oh yeah, but sooner, or like maybe like spring break, I'm gonna see if I could go to like some dirt bike trails or like a dirt bike track, and I'm gonna take my pit bikes and stuff, and I'm gonna see if like you could like rent one of those like Yamaha bikes or something like that, because I want to ride one of those. I never rode one of those type bikes, so I want to see the difference between that bike and my bikes. Oh, all the got mud spraying in my face. But I don't know if that's rain. I'm not sure. Oh. On kickstart. All my trails are on top of a hill. See that? Oh, look at them. So in the comments, let me know what y'all think about these videos. If they're interesting or they're boring, just let me know. But honestly, I think they look way better than how they used to look in the beginning. If y'all look back and how they look now, it's like a pretty big difference. But y'all let me know. Soon I might be dropping some prank videos. I'm thinking of some ideas right now, so they could be pretty interesting and funny. I'm gonna do like public prank videos, but y'all gonna have to stay tuned for those, cause I just hit my head. But anyways, yeah, so hopefully they go right and don't get beat up for the pranks. Oh! Almost fell in the water. There's really not much spots I could go into right now because it's all muddy and I just slip out. So currently I'm about to ride through the area that was all super flooded. Y'all can see, look, it's super muddy over here. Look at this big old hole in the ground. Like, that used to be like right there. Like right there. Now it's like all the way over there. There's a bunch of trees. Woo! Shit. See how we're kind of stuck right now. Going through. Let's see if I can burn the bike tire out. Oh! Alright, y'all, so I'm filming on my phone. I'm just gonna cross this little creek. I don't know if y'all seen that video where I took the 4-wheeler across, but this is a little spot went across. I should go check that out. It was pretty interesting. Y'all can see the woods over there. That's where I went. And I was exploring like deep in there. All my tires popped because I hit a bunch of thorns, but it was worth it. I thought it was pretty cool. Look at this. Dang, this thing is flooded. Not that flooded, but pretty cool. I like to chill sometimes here and just like, dang, I wish I could ride over there, make trails over there. Alright, y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment if you thought the video was pretty good, or like what type of videos I should do next, and I'm gonna get to it. But make sure to subscribe if you're new, and let's go on the road to 100 subs. Let's see if y'all get me there, but let's see. Let's find out. Who knows?